In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to withdraw money from Coinbase to Revolut. By the end, you'll understand how to set things up, verify your account, and complete the withdrawal smoothly. Start in the Coinbase app. Tap Transfer, then choose Withdraw Cash. This takes you to the Cash Out screen and shows your current payment options. If you haven't linked a bank for withdrawals yet, tap your current payment method and select Add Payment Method. Choose the option to add a bank account. Coinbase will display banking details you'll need, specifically an IBAN and a beneficiary or company name. These are the official bank details Coinbase uses to verify and receive funds. Carefully copy the IBAN and the beneficiary name exactly as shown. Accuracy matters here because this information is what links your Revolut account to Coinbase for future withdrawals. Now switch over to the Revolut app. Go to Payments, tap the plus icon and select Bank Recipient. When asked for the type of recipient, choose Business. That's because the beneficiary you copied from Coinbase is a company account, not a personal one. Enter the IBAN and the company name exactly as provided by Coinbase. Take a moment to double check for typos before you tap Add Recipient, as incorrect details can delay transfers. Next, send a small amount from Revolut to the new business recipient you just added. This initial transfer helps link and verify your Revolut account with Coinbase, so withdrawals can later go back to the same account. Keep it minimal, just enough to complete the verification. Depending on your region and transfer network, this small transfer may take some time to arrive. If Coinbase shows any on-screen notes about references or required details, make sure you include them as instructed in the Revolut transfer so it's matched correctly. Once you've sent that small amount and the link is established, return to the Coinbase app. Tap Transfer, select Withdraw Cash, and now choose your Revolut account from the list of available withdrawal methods. Enter the amount you want to withdraw, then review everything carefully, the account name, IBAN, and the currency you're withdrawing. When you're confident the details are correct, confirm the withdrawal. That's it. Your money will be sent to your Revolut account. Processing times and any applicable fees can vary based on your location and banking network, so keep an eye on both apps for status updates. If something looks off, pause and review the details you entered. With this setup complete, future withdrawals should be faster and more straightforward.